Welcome back to the Real Crypto Space. I'm your co-host Louis, and today's video is on Kadena.
Welcome back to Real Crypto Space. We'll be talking about Kadena today. As you guys know, this is not financial advice. Always do your own research and yeah.
So as you can see here, it's been pumping quite recently. It's ranked 48, so it's actually ranked quite high. It's also in the trending on it's on trending on Coinmarketcap, and it's also on Coingecko, so it's getting some traction here. It's also listed on KuCoin, so that's a major exchange you can buy it from. And as you can see here, the volume's just been rising like crazy in 24 hours, 332 million, and it's $4.1 billion market cap. And as you can see, there is still 84% of the supply to be released, as it's a one. So as you can see, the max supply is 1 billion, and the circulating supply is only 157 million right now. So there's 84% of that to be released. So as it does get released, obviously it has to get bought up, so therefore the price goes down as it gets released straight away. But it's better for long term as more gets bought up, so therefore the price inflates more. So as you can see here, it's only really started gaining traction in Q4 when this big alt season did start. And as you can see, it's just been kind of consolidating right now. In the last 7 days, it's had a huge growth, but there should be a retest. Obviously, not financial advice, but I believe there should be a retest around here. It's all-time high. We actually broke the all-time high 3 hours ago. This video has been recorded on November the 11th. So $28.25. That's actually quite good since obviously yesterday was a huge Bitcoin dump. So it's pumped quite a lot, obviously. So it could be a retest from here, depending what Bitcoin does from here on out. But yeah, let's get straight on into the video.
Okay, so as you guys can see here, they have added on their page that you can build on the network, and they have got safer smart contracts, no cost transactions, energy efficient at scale, proven security, and also industrial scalability. Their partners that they have, that you guys may know, Celo, also known as Cello, Polkadot, Zelcore, Terra, UST, and Ledger, which a lot of you guys may know, and Cosmos as well, which has had an insane, bull run as well. And Flux, Wrap, the ones that where you can wrap your tokens for lower fees, and Zelcore and Coinmarketcap.
So obviously you can build with DeFi and NFT and payments. So Pack's unique features and flexibility support every imaginable use case. Serial and fractionable NFTs without items being locked behind a single exchange. Unfragmented liquidity pools supporting unique incentive and cash flows across exchanges. Faster payments using Curo Layer 2 technology with 480,000 trades per second. Interop and relay, so every day Kadena builders leverage that no other blockchain has trustless, so no third party is needed. Decentralized cross-chain transfers, and soon transactions will be able to be executed seamlessly across Ethereum, Cello, and Terra, secured by Kadena bonding. So powering by Kadena's chain relay bridge, so you can bond now by pressing here, and you can also build with DeFi, NFT, and payments by pressing here. So they have the governance as well. So Pact is governed at 3 levels. So 1 is code level, 2 is account management level, and 3 is setting strategic direction for key community initiatives. The upcoming Kadena DAO will take this to the next level by empowering the community to fund new developer initiatives. So you can do that by pressing here, and then engineered for real use case, powered by our team of real class crypto and smart contract experts. Kadena has reimagined blockchain from the ground up, combining a revolutionary chain architecture with the tools and services needed for widespread adoption. So this is now the end of the video. I hope you have enjoyed, and if you have, please make sure you press that like button and also press that red subscribe button. It really helps us out. And yeah, have a lovely rest of your day.